Hey Troy, this is Mitch. Just going to shoot you that quick video that we talked about on Facebook with the 3 tips to get some more clients online. So what I'll do is I'll take a look at your website and I'll take a look at 3 of your competitors' websites, show you what they're doing, how they're getting their traffic, and how you can beat them. So the 3 things we'll talk about today are content, backlinks, and citations. So Google likes to see about 1,000 words of content on a home page. That's really just anything that I can highlight here, all the words. Google can also read what you save your images as, so you want to make sure that that you're saving your images as those keyword intent phrases. And not just letters and numbers, because you're just missing out on getting some content in front of Google by doing that. So we'll take a look here. And this one, I believe, is just for Flower Mound. You can see that they have a little bit of content, but really not that much. 1,500 words would probably definitely beat most people. Definitely beat them. I also looked up home improvement or home remodel contractors in the Dallas area and in the DFW area as different search terms to kind of show you what, I see that Flower Mound is right near Dallas, so a lot of times Dallas is going to act as the umbrella that a lot of people just search under. So they don't have that much content. They'd definitely still be beatable with 1,500 words, and we'll take a look here at the DFW. They've got some content, but again, 1,500 words, 2,000 words, 1,500 words would still blow them out of the water. So the next thing we'll talk about is backlinks. All a backlink is a link from one website to another website. And when you link the website, it's going to pass power. So not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go after those high power backlinks to make your website more powerful, so that way you can start ranking for those keywords. On Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that I use, they rank websites with UR and DR, and you want these 2 numbers here as close together as possible and as high as possible. That's going to give you a more powerful website. So we'll just take a look here at some of your competition. The William French TX, they have 174 backlinks. I'd like to see this number a little bit higher, but still, not a bad powered website. Blackline Renovations has 2,240 backlinks. Pretty powerful website. So the good thing that we can do is actually go in and take a look, see where they're getting all of their backlinks from, and go after all the ones that are do follow. The no follows are not going to pass any power. And it is good to have a good ratio of do follow and no follows. But so basically, just go in and if it put them on the first page of Google, it'll put you on the first page of Google as well. We'll just let this load back up real quick. We'll take a look here at the last one. Very powerful website with almost 7,000 backlinks. So to kind of give you an idea of what all that backlinking will do for you, we'll take a look at some keywords. First, we'll look at the keywords that you rank for. So Rave Renovations, Flower Mound, searched on average 40 times a month. You're in the first position for that, and you get about 14 clicks a month on your website from it. Home remodeling Flower Mound, TX is searched. Sorry, let me back up. This right here is the keyword for the people are searching on Google. This is the average monthly search volume that's being searched. This column right here is the KD, or the keyword difficulty. It just tells us how hard and how long it's going to take to rank for that keyword. It's ranked on a scale of 0 to 100, with 0 being the easiest and 100 being the hardest. So you really want to go after those low KD keywords. So you can see here, home remodeling Flower Mound TX is 30 times a month with a 0 KD. Right now you're in the 28th position, so you're going to be on the 3rd page for that one. I don't know if that's spelled any different. So we'll take a look at some of the other keywords in the area just to kind of show you what else is out there. So you can see here, kitchen remodeling Flower Mound is searched on average 80 times a month with a 0 KD. Home theater installation, Fort Worth, if that's something that you do. That's a really good low-hanging fruit. High volume, low case. Really just takes a little bit of time to go through and see what all of your competition's ranking for and pick out what you want to rank for, and then put the keywords that you want to rank for in the content on your homepage. If there's enough keywords to make a service page for it, make its own service page for that specific service. And then once you push the backlinks to the homepage and the service pages, your website's going to become powerful, and Google's going to start ranking you for those keywords. Just give you an idea of what it's like to expand a little bit and target Dallas. I'll show you some keywords here from Dallas. Remodeling Dallas 80 times a month. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to rank here just because there's more competition. But that doesn't mean that you still can't find those, high volume, low KD, low hanging fruit keywords. They just have 2,500 keywords to go through to really just pick out the best ones. Dallas home remodeling contractors 40 times a month. Home renovation 40 times. So again, I'm not going to waste your time and go through all of these and kind of just, spend hours going through it with all of you, because I think you can kind of see here that, Room Additions, Murphy, Texas, if that's a place that you service, that's 70 times a month with a 0 KD. It just really costs to go through. McKinney, Texas, if that's a place that you service, then that's a really good place to target. So the last thing that we'll talk about is citations. If I were to search home remodel contractor DFW, you're going to see this map pack pop up, and this is a really powerful place to be. If you want to rank in here, first you want to make sure that your Google My Business is completely optimized. So you want to have as many reviews as possible, more pictures than everyone else, saved in the right format, with those keyword intent phrases as what they're saved as. Google likes to see the picture saved in 1024 megapixels by 1024 megapixels. You're going to get 750 characters for description right here. You want to make sure that you're using as close to all of the characters as you can. I can tell you just by looking that they're not even close. Once you have it fully optimized, you can go after citations, and all that is just name, address, phone number, listed in as many online directories as possible. Those are going to be like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and there's hundreds of other directories you've probably never heard of. And a lot of times those directories are also going to offer you a spot for a backlink as well. So you can work on your citations to rank in the map pack and also gain backlinks to rank organically at the same time. Kind of kill two birds with one stone with that one. If you have questions about any of this or you need help implementing any of it, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help.